There is one critical rule that most people do not realize when it comes to Medicare's open enrollment period. So in this video, let's talk about what this thing that people missed way too frequently and why it can significantly impact both your options for healthcare, but also what you pay for healthcare. I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach, an independent Medicare consultant, helping our clients easily navigate both the government rules of Medicare, but also all the insurance company options to help you do what's right and best for you. I'm going to share some extra resources down below to make your life easy when it comes to Medicare. But again, Medicare can be great when you know what to look for and what steps to take. So let's go ahead and hop into this video. So Medicare has their open enrollment period from October 15th through December 7th. And during this time, you'll get ads everywhere. You'll be at your grocery store. You'll see someone by the pharmacy selling Medicare plans. It's kind of nonstop and hard to ignore this time of the year. But there's one important misconception when it comes to Medicare open enrollment period. And this is important to you whether you're joining Medicare for the first time or you're currently on Medicare as well. And that is, most people assume, because most insurance people tell you, that during Medicare's open enrollment period, you can change your plans. That's not the full story. The truth is, during Medicare's open enrollment period, you are only allowed to change your Medicare Part D, as in drug plan, or your Medicare Advantage plan. That's it. You are not guaranteed during this time to join Medicare Part A or B. You are not guaranteed to change Medicare supplement plans either. So this period really only applies to Medicare Part D and Medicare Advantage. Why is this important? It's important to know this when you first join Medicare, because the plans that you pick when you first join kind of pigeonhole you into future Medicare options. Medicare supplement plans, as I mentioned, have nothing to do with Medicare enrollment period. When you first join Medicare, you have a window where you can join any Medicare supplement plan of your choice, no matter what your pre-existing conditions are. But once you've been on Medicare in most states, it is very hard to join a new Medicare supplement plan, change letters, change companies, any of those things. I oftentimes hear insurance people, or even the government sometimes say, well, you can change your plan every year. It's not a big deal. Just pick a plan now, switch it later. That's not the full story and can lead to really big mistakes in the future. So again, what you can change every year is your Medicare Part D or your Medicare Advantage. So during this time, I highly recommend that you do look at your Medicare Part D or at your Medicare Advantage plans. The thing is, these plans do change a lot every single year in terms of copays, in terms of premiums, deductibles, medication coverage, pharmacies, doctors, benefits, all of those things. So please do look at your Medicare Part D or your Medicare Advantage plan. But please be careful of leaving a Medicare supplement plan and going back into Medicare Advantage. You might not be able to undo it. I had a client the other day who did this thing last year and it was a mess. Their friend said, oh, go to Medicare Advantage. It's cheaper. It's better. You get free dental, free gym membership. And for them, it was an absolute disaster. Their doctors did not take the Advantage plan. And at the end of the day, they're paying an extra $5,000 out of pocket for this so-called cheaper plan. So please be careful. Advantage plans do have higher commission checks, so the insurance companies and their people encourage them, but it might not be best for you. So please be thoughtful, please be thorough, and do the right Medicare decision, make the right Medicare decision for what's most important to you. Medicare can be great, but we have to be thoughtful and thorough. All right, I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach, and here's to helping you easily make your right Medicare decision.